The confidence that you gain from being on this program, it shows you the elements of yourself that prove that you can thrive in these environments and not just make it through these environments.
The CTT Global Tutorial Programme is a one-of-a-kind academic experience aimed at students in their final years of secondary education, which is delivered by researchers who are actively undertaking research at the University of Oxford.
She gave us really insightful advice, and I feel like she really helped us find what was important to us.
The Global Tutorial Programme is all about building students' academic skills through the tutorial method. The tutorial method is all about talking your way through learning.
During our tutorial, it was more of a natural conversation. It felt genuine and didn't feel forced.
And to really demonstrate to students and show students that they are contributors to knowledge and they're not just recipients of knowledge.
It's not just you guys like showering down a presentation at us. We get to learn things for ourselves.
Each year, CTT chooses an overarching interdisciplinary theme that the students' learning is focused around.
It was really challenging, but it was like a challenge that once you finished it, you weren't tired, you were like just satisfied.
Each week, learners will undergo one academic skills session and one tutorial session.
You're really like deeply focusing about the topic.
So it helps you like think outside the box, like critical thinking.
It will expand their knowledge and the way they contribute to problems or questions.
Instead of just like giving a plain answer,
It's coming to me a lot more easier. I'm understanding a lot deeper or thinking a lot deeper than I normally would.
All students will walk away from the Global Tutorial Programme with a honed set of skills, as well as a community of friends.
The program's really good for people who want to collaborate and see from different perspectives.
viewing these different point of views from like around the world.
They bring their own ideas and thoughts onto the table, so it helps you expand how you think.
Like we really did have like really deep, meaningful conversations.
Developing writing and verbal reasoning and communication skills is a vital way to building one's own voice. It's an excellent way to build academic confidence.
When you have to argue points about things you disagree with, it really strengthens your beliefs and it really helps you carve out what you really think.
Now in school, if I have an idea or a thought, I think I have more confidence in myself that it is like a valid question or thought.
It's made me think about, what if the thing that I say is right?
And once you've got that voice established, that can really help propel you onto your next steps.
I would definitely recommend it to people who maybe don't have the highest grades, but who have shown potential. It's one thing to be in a space, but I think it's another thing to feel like you belong to that space. And that's something I'm going to take with me wherever I go.